What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can add highlights on Instagram without adding to Instagram story. I have watched a lot of fake videos on YouTube like saying that you can just hide it from everyone and then after 24 hours add it to your highlights and stuff like that. These videos are fake. I have watched a lot of videos on YouTube and none of them really helps. So this solution that I am trying to explain to you now, I just saw it from someone in the comments on YouTube and I tried it and it worked. That's why I made the video about it. So what you want to do, guys, to post to add to your highlights on Instagram without posting to your Instagram story. You want to post the story, okay? You want to post the story. Let's say I want to post this story. You want to click this arrow at the very bottom right and then click share, done. And the second you post that story, delete it. Wait for it to upload and then click delete at the bottom right, click more and then click delete and delete. The second you post that story, delete it, okay? Now, how you can post that deleted story on your highlight? So follow the steps and you will be able to do that. You want to click three little dots, three little lines in the top right, as you can, three little lines in the top right, and then click settings. And after that, you want to search for deleted, or you want to search for recently, okay? Recently deleted. Okay, guys, you want to search for recently deleted, and then at the bottom, click on manage recently deleted. Like I said, click on manage recently deleted. And here is the story that we have deleted a few seconds ago. Now, you want to click more at the bottom right. Okay, you want to click more at the bottom right and then click restore. And then click restore. Now, you want to go back to your highlights. Click on it. Click on more at the bottom right and then click edit highlights and then click stories. And you will find that story that we have deleted a few seconds ago. Now, if you want to add that specific story that we have deleted, wait 24 hours. You can add it right now, but it will be posted to your story automatically. So 24 hours are counting since the moment we deleted it. Like, you just have to wait 24 hours and you can add that highlight. You can do this for multiple stories. Like I said, you just have to delete it, go to settings and then click on restore. Follow the steps in the video that I explained to you and then click done in the top right. So the moment you click done, after 24 hours, do it after 12. If you do it immediately, it will work, but you will find the story in the top left. You will find it, and the 24 hours are counting since we deleted it. As you can see, 2 minutes